So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is John Kim. I am heading the Strategic Marketing Group at COSMAXNBT. So I would like to thank the Minister of Agriculture, Food, Rural Affairs, as well as the Korea Institute for Food Industry Cluster and President Kim Do-ko for organizing today's meaningful conference. Today I'm going to talk about COSMAXNBT. For the past 4 years, we have actually been involved in this pilot project for customized health supplements, small portion pilot project. And I'm going to talk about this topic during my presentation. We are preparing for legalization of the portioning business, so I will also mention that. So first, I'm going to briefly tell you about our company, COSMAXNBT, that was actually implementing this pilot projects. COSMAXNBT is part of COSMEC Group, which is the #1 ODM cosmetics group of health and beauty. So we are specializing in ODM. And if you look at in terms of sales volume, we are #1 in the world and #4 in the world in terms of our sales of ODM. COSMAXNBT is not just an OEM. So we actually plan for products, we develop and produce products. And so if you don't even have a brand, but you have a health supplementary product and you want to create new business, we also provide OBM services. So for OBM services, from product to brand lineup, we provide a total solution. In this slide, you can see COSMAXNBT is operating in Korea, China, United States, and Australia. So we do have a global supply chain in place. Last year, for the first time in the industry, we actually recorded $60 million in exports. So not only do we operate in Korea, but we also operate abroad. Because we are a specialized company, we can produce various types of dosage forms. And the various dosage forms can be produced through our technology. So here you can see our technology called Atom. So while you have the same amount of functional ingredient, you can minimize the size of your dosage form. So having this dosage technology helps us to provide customized and personalized products. So here you can see EPP, and this is a production line that specializes in the production of probiotics. And EPP is actually a specialized technology that is unique to NBT. And recently, we actually were able to get various certificates. So inner beauty, women's sports, inner well-being. We have 7 different certificates for different type of ingredients. And using these ingredients, we are able to provide differentiated products and services to our customers. And that was a brief introduction about our company. And next, I would like to talk about the market status regarding health supplements. So why don't we look at the global market first? If you look at the global market and the U.S. market, personalized health supplements, you can see that it is increasing quite rapidly. In 2030, it will actually account for more than 12%. And global #1 U.S. market, the personalized health supplement market actually has surpassed 5 trillion won. In the North American market, the U.S. market is leading this industry. And here you can see some of the key brands. So online medical examination, microbiome analysis, DNA analysis. There are companies leading the market providing these various types of services. Here you can see the Korean market. In the Korean market, it is a huge market that accounts for 6 trillion, 200 billion won. And customized market in terms of the actual size is smaller, but it is rapidly increasing. And for COSMAXNBT, for the past 4 years, we've seen annual growth of more than 387%. So this actually number is from our personalized health supplement small portioning pilot project. So the personalized health supplement market is growing, and there are various factors driving this growth. I believe that one of the most important drivers is that people want customized health, and there's a lot of health devices that provide that, and they want to receive personalized guidelines in terms of promoting wellness and health. So they don't want to go here and there. They want to receive automatic recommendations in terms of health recommendation. And so personalized health supplement market is rapidly growing. In reality, if you look at when we asked consumers if they wanted to use personalized products, you can see that over 52.7% said yes, that they would want customized health supplements. For those that have tried health supplements, we asked them, would you like to try it again? And 87.9% of respondents said that they were willing to try the customized health supplement again. So once they're induced into the market, it is actually easy to create and maintain loyal customers. So with changing purchase behavior of consumers, we implemented the portioning pilot project based on 3 pillars. So we want to prevent overconsumption, redundant consumption, as well as misuse and abuse. So consumers will be able to more effectively and efficiently manage their health, and that was sort of the premise of how we were able to implement the pilot project. So they can choose a product that they need. They do not have to, they can prevent overconsumption and as well as redundant consumption, and they do not need to take any health supplements that they do not need. And as I mentioned before, the customized health supplements can be provided based on individual needs. There are various solutions that we can provide. So here is a survey about a person's personal health status, DNA, microbiomes, and as well as wearable devices, and data regarding prescription and health. So the most viable solution for us was to have a professional consult the consumer. So having doctors, nutritionists consult consumers was the most effective solution. Consumers highly relied on the recommendation by these professionals, and we saw that this translated into purchase of the health supplements. In the overseas market, we have some examples. We heard it from the Nestle presentation. Persona, it started as a startup, and then Nestle acquired Persona, and now it is the global #1 customized health supplement brand. So they have a medical examination survey, but if someone wants DNA analysis or testing, this is optional. Consumers can opt for the DNA testing. So rather than me speaking, I thought that I would share with you a video about Persona and show you what it's all about.
At Persona Nutrition, we make custom vitamin packs for your unique needs. After you complete our questionnaire, our on-site nutritionists are here to answer any questions you have about your recommendations. Once approved, your order is processed in one of Persona's clean facilities located in Snoqualmie, Washington and Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Our dispense managers start the process, sending your order to our packing machines. These machines fill individual packs with your daily supplements. As packs are dispensed, they are collected on spools and then sent to QA for inspection. While your order is being fulfilled, additional information is sent to the printing station, where your personalized supplement packs and invoice are printed. At the first QA station, our fulfillment associates match paperwork to your customer order. Once they confirm the order information, they begin visually inspecting for any errors. This is an important step. If your order passes inspection, it is placed on a conveyor belt and sent to its final check. Our team again verifies that your order and paperwork match. If everything exceeds our standards, your packs are placed in a box, sealed, and shipped directly to your door. Thanks for watching. Take the assessment today.
So here you just saw the video and you saw the portioning process, and COSMAXNBT, we actually have a GMP facility for portioning. It's quite similar to our facility. And then I'm going to show you a case study from Japan. This is Fanco from Japan. They usually target people in their mid-age, 50s and 60s. And of course, you have to do medical examination, and then you can also have urine testing if you want. But if you want to receive the service, then you get consultation, and every 3 to 4 months, they check your health status, and so they check to see whether you are properly receiving their subscription service. And the third overseas case is a British brand called Vitamin Buddy. And I'm not sure if you've noticed it, but there is an online quiz survey, and it's actually very short compared to other companies. They only have 15 questions, so it's actually easier for the consumers to complete the survey because it's so simple. And then nutritionists and pharmacists, they actually consult the consumer, and they receive recommendations about which health supplements they should take. And next, I'm going to talk about customized health supplements, and I'm going to talk about the experiences of COSMAXNBT and also the process for legalizing portioning. So personalized health supplements, I think we need to more clearly define this. So here you can see the general definition and how it's going to change in the future. So it's about getting recommendation for a finished product, and you're purchasing the finished product, but we're moving away from that. So basically you get consultations from professionals, and you get portioned out or small package health supplements that are customized to your health status. And the reason why we've been able to adopt this into the market is because people want to check their own health, and on an average, the Korean consumers actually consume a lot of health supplements. The average number is 4.3, so a lot of consumers wanted to consume only what they needed. And then on various sales channels, they only sell in bulks, and so people would throw away because the health supplement would have passed the expiry date. And so when we take into consideration all of these different factors, we need to adopt the customized health supplement market in Korea. So multi-pack product and customized small packaging product might be confusing for you. So for multi-pack products, the manufacturer or the seller tries to identify the needs of consumers, and they preemptively create a combination of health supplements, and they have different combinations, and so basically they combine the existing products and you just choose the combination. But customized products is about consuming the health supplements that you need depending on your health condition, and so it recommends only the health supplements that you need. So there is a difference between multi-pack products and customized small package products. So for these small package products, the legislation will be enacted in January of 2025. So currently it is illegal to sell this. We have a pilot project that we carried out. So FDA provided us a guideline, and so you can see some of the guidelines or conditions, and one of those was that consultations was mandatory, and it had to be online or face face-to-face, and the online consultation, you had to have records of the video of consumers talking to these professionals. So it's actually having this video recording of the consultations was a hurdle because a lot of consumers said, I don't want to be filmed, I don't want to be part of the video, I don't want to leave a record. But FDA and the Ministry of Industry actively implemented this pilot project. And so COSMAXNBT and many companies felt that this customized health supplement portioning project was key to the future. And so in 2020, 7 companies first participated in this pilot project. And up until now, we have 52 companies that have taken part in this pilot project, and there are over 2,000 outlets who have also participated. COSMAXNBT has been taking part in the pilot project, and we've accumulated various experiences. In the initial stages, for preparing for this pilot project, we built various systems. The first was an algorithm that recommended health supplements. So we didn't have experience, so we benchmarked overseas case studies about algorithms, and we didn't have a lot of professionals who actually had experience in developing this algorithm, and so it took us 6 months to develop the algorithm. And then we built an internal IT system so that we could integrate order, portioning, and delivery. And we work with partner companies. And then in the last stage, COSMAXNBT in Icheon, we have a GMP facility. And so for the first time in Korea, we built a portioning, packaging, fulfillment center. And the process seems very complicated, but COSMAXNBT partner companies here, you can see, follow this very simple process, and they are able to implement the business. The consumer actually goes through consultation, and if the data is in the MBT database within that day, then they are able to receive the portioned out health supplements the very next day. So here you can see the initial business setup, and after 2-3 years, COSMAXNBT pharmacies or these distribution brands and hospitals, we have various distribution partners who are joining us in this portioning business, and we were able to see the potential of individualized health supplement portioning business. And the hospitals, it was very helpful when we had a permanent professionals consulting consumers for distribution brand. If they were able to sell the portioned package and the bulk single package, it actually helped this distribution brand in terms of sales. And people have great faith in the doctors. So if the doctors make recommendations, consumers just follow the instructions of the doctors. And so it was easy for us or the hospitals to get the consumers to buy the product. After the 4th year, we did face some difficulties, and I believe that these difficulties translated into our know-how. So if you would like to join us in this project or business, I'm sure that you will be able to actually not go through all of the mistakes that we went through, and you could learn from our trial and error. Consumers have very high satisfaction in terms of buying these portioned packages, but the awareness about these type of products is very low. So it's very hard to attract new consumers to buy these small portioned packages. And we also, as a mandatory guideline, we had to have an online video consultation. So for the elderly people, they felt that this was very difficult to do, and so they would give up. And there was some delay in legislation. So when we first began this pilot project, we thought that we would see the legal foundation in 2023. But there were many companies that joined us in the initial stages, actually gave up halfway and gave up receiving a license to sell these small packages with portioned out health supplements. So I said we went through a lot of experiences, and if you look at the packaging, it's quite vulnerable to high moisture levels and also high temperature. So we needed to have additional measures for storage and distribution. So for business partners, they had to get a return on investment. So the packaging needed to be more diversified. We needed to have a more flexible approach to MOQ. And many partners, we needed to have common products, common items that different partners could share. So COSMAXNBT, for the first time, we are actually have been able to export these personalized goods to overseas countries. And we have been working with overseas partners. So we are realizing product and packaging optimization and setting up distribution channels. So for the first time, we were also able to see that we could tap into overseas markets and sell our products. So for the past 4 years, with overseas partners, we were able to accumulate a lot of experience and know-hows. And for those partners who want to join us, I would like to say MBT provides consultation, development. We provide one-stop service. We cover all of these different stages here on the slide. The business model could be turnkey model. You might say, we want to do portioning, so provide us with only the bulk product. This sort of business model is also possible with us. So next January, they are saying that the legal sort of foundation will be put in place, and you'll be curious to know what is changing. So there will be separate reporting if you want to sell this customized health supplements. And there are 6 groups of occupations that will be professionals that provide consultations. And also online consultation is provided, chatting is provided. You can talk to the consumers or patients on phone. You do not need to have a video recording of your consultation anymore. So while we provide customized products, we had a hard time attracting new consumers with this video recording criteria. But in next year, the customized health supplement market, I believe, will grow. So if you want to take part in the portioning part of the business, but you don't want to do manufacturing, then our company can actually can do this for you. So you can outsource those activities to a manufacturer like our company. And I think there are 2 keywords in terms of customized health supplement portioning business. So if you look at customized health supplements, I think that they will complement medications. So depending on what sort of medication you take through doctors and nutritionist recommendations, you will be able to take supplements. And in the future, this customized health services will become more important. And next has to do with the development of personalized service. Of course, consumers want to know their health information, and they want to get products that meet their health needs in order to feel feel high levels of satisfaction. If we can satisfy the consumers, I'm sure that we can get them to repurchase our products. So thank you very much. I think the moderator also mentioned this. But with regard to our business, if you want to work with COSMAXNBT or if you have any questions, you can see my contacts here on the slide. So please feel free to contact me. So thank you very much for your kind attention.